In this video, I will show you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 watch. So, if you, for example, are selling this watch or returning it, or maybe something has happened to it and you want to recover it basically and return to the factory state, this is how I do it. First, we have to swipe up and go to your settings basically. Okay, go to your settings, then click General, and you can click this reset to reset it. So you can either back up your data or just reset. Alternately, we can also do this reset process from our phone in case something has happened to the watch or you can't really use it, or anyway, for whatever reason. So you can go to your wearable app, then go to the band settings, then click on the general again. Okay, and you can click reset button. So, and we can reset this band. So let's try it. Okay, and it will remove it from your phone as well and reset the band basically. So it's pretty fast. And it also already starts offering, I think, to set it up. So let's see. Okay, yeah, you can set it up. So, and you can set it up from your phone. So that's kind of cool. So you need to basically set it up on your phone. So this is how I do it on the Fit 3. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you.